In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a laughing sound effect in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make your edits funnier, more entertaining, and more engaging whether you're making memes, reaction videos, shorts, or comedy content. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure the clip or timeline you want to edit is already loaded, so you can place the sound effect exactly where you need it. Once your project is open, look at the top panel and click on Audio. This is where CapCut keeps all of its sound options, including music, effects, and other audio tools. After that, select Sound Effects. This will open the built-in library of effect sounds that you can use in your video. CapCut has a wide range of audio options here, so you can add anything from comedy sounds to transitions and reaction effects. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the laughing sound effect. Now go to the search box and type laugh, laughter, or laughing. Try a few different search terms if needed, because sometimes the exact sound you want may appear under a slightly different name. Once the results appear, take a moment to preview the sound effects one by one. This is an important step because different laughing sounds can create very different moods. Some may sound subtle and realistic, while others may be exaggerated and perfect for meme-style edits. When you find the one you want, click the plus icon to add it to the timeline. CapCut will place the sound effect into your project, and from there you can move it around to match the exact moment in your video. If needed, you can also trim the sound, adjust the volume, or line it up with a reaction for better timing. A well-placed laugh sound effect can make a simple clip feel much more polished and funny. And that's it. You now know how to add a laughing sound effect in CapCut PC. It's quick, easy, and a really useful trick for making your edits stand out. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.